Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to reset the Toyota Tundra maintenance light. Begin with the truck parked and parking brake engaged, ignition OFF. Turn ignition to on without starting engine and wait for the dash lights to initialize. Use the directional pad on the steering wheel to open the settings or vehicle information menu, locate maintenance or oil reset, then follow prompts to confirm and clear the light. Turn the key to on and use the steering wheel controls to reach the maintenance menu, keeping actions calm and steady. Press the OK button to enter and use arrows to select oil maintenance or maintenance required. When the reset option appears, press and hold OK until the confirmation shows, then release. Turn the ignition off and back on and check that the maintenance reminder no longer appears on the dash. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker, which makes hands-free timers and instructions perfect when you're under the hood. It's compact and easy to use near your workbench, and it pairs with smart lights for a brighter workspace. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. If the maintenance light remains after a reset attempt, don't panic and repeat the process exactly, allowing screens to load fully. Verify you selected the right menu for your model, since some trims place maintenance under different submenus. If multiple attempts fail, inspect for stored fault codes or consult a technician, as underlying issues can keep the light active and simple resets will not resolve mechanical problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.